off we go. This pie chart shows the favourite types of pie. Ha! Pie chart, pie. Okay, it's not especially funny, but it's almost funny, isn't it? Of a group of 11 plus pupils. So we'll draw ourselves. Oh, I don't like that blue. Let's have some white, that's nicer. So some of them like blueberry. So we'll just write blueberry. And 20% of them like blueberry best. 18% like cherry. 30% equal pork pie. Oh, I do like a pork pie best. I suppose that came as a bit of a surprise. I was expecting them all to be fruit pies, weren't you? And then we've got apple here. And the question says 9 pupils said that they like cherry pie. So that's the critical bit. So 9 pupils. Ooh, don't like that colour. It all just disappeared, didn't it? Let's give ourselves a 9. I think that 9's really important. We're going to go for the complement. We're going to go for yellow. Yeah, now that shows up, doesn't it? 9 liked cherry pie there. It was best. How many children said that the apple pie was their best? Now, what was the killer part of the question there? Not bad, not bad. It was how many children like apple pie, not what percentage of children like apple pie. So let's have a little look. Firstly, though, we do have to find out what percentage. And I'm going to rub out this wiggly line because it's annoying me. So we've got 20% and 30% makes 50%. 50 plus 18 makes 68%. Does that sound right to you? So that 68% is all of this lot here. These, and these. But we want to find out how many percent so far. So 100%, take away 68%. Do work it out. Now, I know you can do it in your head, but you'll be surprised at how many people get this wrong. They will say 42, which is not right. So 8 from them we can't do. Borrow, that becomes 10, 9, 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 9 take away 6 is 3. So it's 32% like apple pie. But did we want how many percent? No. But remember, that will be on the multiple choice. Now, we can proceed from here in 2 different ways. There's the sloppy, I know what I'm doing way, or the let's do it properly way. Let's do the sloppy, I know what I'm doing way first. You can see now that we've got this, we can do its proportions. It is half the percent. So every 2% equals 1 child. So every 2% equals 1 child, and therefore that is going to be 16 children. But that's not comfortable, is it? If you're not happy with that, don't do it that way. We'll go back to our golden rule. We know that 18% equals 9 children. And therefore we can find out that 2% equals 1 child. There's our first find one. Happy? We divided that side by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. We divided that side by 9. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. What we've really done is we've got our 9 children here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we've divided our 18% equally between them. And then we find that they end up with 2 each. That's why we divided it by 9. So 1 child equals 2%. But how many percent did we want to find out? 32%. So if we multiply this side by 16, we have to multiply this side by 16. Can you see that? Now, I'm not red-green colourblind, but they seem to merge into each other. So 2 times 16 equals 32. So 1 times 16 equals 16. Which was the same answer as we had up here, isn't it? 16 children. And you also hope that it's then on the multiple choice. See you soon. This always turns up one way or another.